tower of orange juice without ketchup than the post-colonial literary theory must. Alright, so let's go ahead and wake up now. Zip, zip, bird. On a 1, a 2, and a 3. Good morning, Mr. Zip, zip, zip. With your hair just as short as mine. Good morning, Mr. Zip, zip, zip. Gee, you're looking fine. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. If the leaning tower of orange juice don't get you, then the post-colonial literary theory must. Good morning, Mr. Zip, zip, zip. With your hair just as short as, your hair just as short as, your hair just as short as mine. Ethan Ferguson, what was that? Oh my God!
You can hear their pain from here. I don't know. Bunch of guys in tan.
Yeah. They're wearing a tan uniform, blue name tag. I honestly can't tell who it is at this point. They all look the same to me.
Sounds like a lot of agony. That's the problem with the name tags. They all look the same, you know what I'm saying? I think we got 3, Andrew. 3 down, 3 down.
3 down. This hasn't happened since 1976. Oh, Lord.
I need my chocolate milk from the trading card.
You are right, and the ginger's having a soul, so we should get
He's the only person who knows how to do a knot board.
You are right. That is a valid take.
But can he toss a rope?
I think so. I guess he's sitting more than enough. All right.